This video will guide you through reviewing a confidentiality agreement. Confidentiality Agreement Review is a frequently requested service on the Contracts Council platform since both parties involved in sharing sensitive information want to understand the terms before signing. If you have received a confidentiality agreement and need to review it, then this video is for you. Before we start, just a brief disclaimer. The following information is provided for educational purposes and in no way constitutes legal advice. For legal advice, we encourage you to consult a licensed attorney. We have also provided more information in the description, including how to find a lawyer. We will cover top considerations when reviewing a confidentiality agreement, key terms to find and understand in your document, and cost to hire a lawyer for review. We have also added a link in the description below with information on legal fees. Now let's get started. Top considerations for confidentiality agreements. Confidentiality agreements are legally binding documents that protect sensitive information by ensuring it is not disclosed to unauthorized parties. Before diving into specific terms, here are some top considerations to keep in mind. Definition of confidential information. Ensure the agreement clearly defines what constitutes confidential information. This could include trade secrets, client lists, proprietary data, and more. Scope of obligation. Determine the extent of each party's obligations regarding confidentiality. This should include non-disclosure during and after the term of the agreement. Duration of confidentiality. Understand how long the confidentiality obligations last after the agreement ends. Some agreements enforce indefinite confidentiality, while others define a specific timeframe. Compliance with laws. Ensure the agreement complies with relevant local, state, and federal laws regarding confidentiality and data protection. And consider hiring a lawyer. It is always recommended to hire a lawyer to help review a confidentiality agreement. They can ensure the document is legally compliant, help you understand industry standard terms, and coach you on negotiations. We have added a link in the description to help you find one. Key terms to understand. Confidentiality agreements contain many important terms that you should understand. Here are some key terms to look for. 1. Parties involved. Ensure that the names and details of both parties are correctly stated. Make sure the full legal names of the businesses or individuals are used. 2. Definition of confidential information. Review the detailed definition of what counts as confidential information. Ensure that this aligns with your understanding and expectations. 3. Non-disclosure obligations. Understand the specific obligations regarding non-disclosure during the term of the agreement and after it ends. 4. Permitted disclosures. Check for any exceptions where disclosure of confidential information is permitted, such as legal requirements or pre-approved disclosures. 5. Duration of confidentiality. Review the time frame for which the confidentiality obligations apply, whether during the term of the agreement, post-agreement, or indefinitely. 6. Return of materials. Ensure the agreement specifies the process for returning any confidential materials when the agreement ends. 7. Remedies for breach. Understand the remedies available in case of a breach of the confidentiality agreement, such as injunctions or damages. And 8. Dispute resolution. Review the methods for resolving disputes related to the agreement, such as mediation, arbitration, or court litigation. Average cost to hire a lawyer. Hiring a lawyer to review your confidentiality agreement is advisable. Contracts Council's marketplace allows you to post your project and receive competitive bids from lawyers to compare. Based on recent data, the average cost to review a confidentiality agreement is $300 on a flat fee basis. This is based on recent projects from across various U.S. states. Legal fees can vary based on the following factors. State or location. Lawyer fees may vary based on where they are located. For example, a lawyer in New York City will likely have a higher rate than a lawyer in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Length of contract. Given lawyers traditionally bill by the hour, a longer contract with more pages will require more of their time, which can make the legal costs higher. Complexity of terms. If there are complicated terms in the agreement, it can increase legal fees since it will require the lawyer to spend more time working on the project. And service required. You can hire lawyers for different services. If you simply need the contract reviewed and explained, this will be a lower fee than also meeting the contract redlined and negotiated. Reviewing a confidentiality agreement is crucial in ensuring you understand your obligations and protect your rights accordingly. If you need help from an experienced lawyer, feel free to search Contracts Counsel or visit contractscounsel.com and post a job to get quotes from lawyers to help you. Thanks for watching.